Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Gin Rickey. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Gin, I have here in Bombay Sapphire. Club soda. If you have any carbonated water, that would work too. And lime, 3 items. It's still time, let's go grab ice, a rocks glass. If you have a highball glass, that'll work too. A jigger, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, grab your lime and roll it. Cut your lime in half. You can also cut just a little piece here for garnish. Set the limes aside. Grab your glass. Add ice. Grab half of your lime and squeeze the juice. Grab your gin. Pour 1.5 ounces of gin into the glass. Now get your club soda. You could free pour your club soda close to the rim, about right here. I am going to show you using a jigger. Grab your bar spoon and stir your drink. From here, the last step is to garnish with. And there you go, my friends, the Gin Rickey. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.